This is a GoHoist video on how to install new standard rigging pulley blocks on your GoHoist winch legs. So here we have a new pulley block, and this is one that has, they all do, 14mm bolts and nuts. Now you can open and tighten these with 9/16 if you use the non-12 point part of the wrench, not so much this. Okay, so what is important about installing these? One critical key is that the hook, the open end of the hook, right here, this is the open end, right here, needs to face the drum. So when we install this, and this has already come with the bolts loosened, so we just undo them by hand here. We need to completely take out this pulley, sheave as they call it, technically, with the brass bushing in it. Don't let that fall, hit the ground, and disappear. You can't use this pulley block without that. So here we go. We're going to put this on. That's not right. That's, the hook is not facing the drum. Turn it over. Now the hook is facing the drum. Okay. Put the sheave back in, making sure we've got that bushing in there. We always make sure that the bolt is on the bolt side. Okay. Once we're in there, we can flip it over and add the lock, nut, washer, and nut. Now when you tighten these, we put the open end, either 14mm or 9/16 on the back. Okay, and you can use a ratchet on the front that's a 12 point. You don't have to kill yourself. These don't have to be tightened. I mean, I don't know, 10 foot-pounds maybe. They're not doing anything other than holding that bolt in place. They're not tensioning to hold something down. So don't try to break yourself on these. Oop, I'm not on the back nut. Let me get on the back bolt. There we go. Don't kill yourself. I mean, I'm just going light and easy here. Like I said, 10 pounds. Collapse that. Oop, collapse that. A little harder to do here. Let me get a good place here. I'm trying to, it's a little tricky trying to stay in the camera view. Okay. Oh, there we go. So there it is. That's it. That's all you want. Okay. So now that guy's facing, bolted down. Make sure your sheave wheel spins free. Nothing's catching it. Okay. If it does, reopen it and put it back in there. I don't think we've ever had one not go. You do want to spray it with your favorite lubricant. We like the chain and cable lube. Garage door lube. These are both great for rigging. Don't hit the winch. You don't need to hit the winch with that. So there you go. That's it. Make sure both. You need two of these. Both of them. That open hook is facing that. That's key for when you attach the rigging to the shoulder up on the top. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.